In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find keywords using Semrush in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to optimize your website's SEO strategy or simply want to enhance your content's visibility, understanding how to effectively utilize keyword tools is crucial. Let's start by opening your favorite web browser and searching for Semrush. If you haven't signed up yet, you'll want to either log in or go through the quick, easy process of creating an account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the SEO dashboard, and from there, locate the Keyword Magic tool, which is the primary tool we'll be focusing on today. To begin, you'll want to enter a broad keyword related to your business or the topic you're diving into. This is often referred to as your seed keyword. Think of it as the starting point from which a whole tree of related search terms will grow. For instance, if your business is centered around organic skincare would be your seed keyword. Now, once you've entered that keyword, it's time to refine your results. Make use of the filters available, like keyword difficulty, search volume, and match type, whether you prefer broad, phrase, or exact matches. These filters are invaluable for narrowing down and identifying the most relevant keywords. You'll want to focus on those keywords that offer a balanced combination of high search volume and manageable difficulty. It's all about finding those hidden gem opportunities that your competitors might overlook. As you explore, pay close attention to the data that Semrush provides for each keyword. This information includes monthly search volume, keyword difficulty, and cost per click, CPC. These metrics will guide you in prioritizing which keywords might best suit your goals, whether it's to drive traffic, make sales, or boost brand awareness. Once you've curated a solid list of keywords, use the Keyword Magic tool to organize these into lists. Such lists are not just for reference. They will serve as the foundation for your content planning and overall SEO strategy. And don't stop there. Consider the related keywords and questions tabs. These are a treasure trove for discovering additional keywords and gaining insight into long-tail keywords that could be highly beneficial. It's equally important to understand where you stand against your competition. The Keyword Gap tool will be your ally in this, allowing you to compare your rankings to your competitors and spot potential opportunities. Lastly, for a speedy rundown on a particular keyword, you can turn to the Keyword Overview tool to assess metrics like search volume, trend, competition, and keyword difficulty. If targeting your competition directly is part of your strategy, input their domain into the Organic Research tool to uncover the keywords they're successfully ranking for. Don't forget about semantic keywords, which are related terms that can expand the breadth of your search queries. The Keyword Magic tool or any other keyword research tool within Semrush can assist you with finding these valuable terms. And there you have it, a succinct yet comprehensive guide to finding keywords with Semrush. Remember, effective keyword research is the backbone of a strong SEO strategy and content planning, setting you on the path to greater online visibility and success.